row the boat, and never give up mantra. When you row a boat, your back is to the future, which is something you cannot control, nor can you see. You don't know if there's rocks, waterfalls, stormy seas. You don't know what's ahead of you. There's 3 parts to rowing a boat. There's an oar, a boat, and a compass. The oar, the energy, the symbol of strength and purpose, the amount one brings to their life, academically, athletically, socially, and spiritually. The boat, the sacrifice. What are you willing to give up for something that you never had? The more you sacrifice, the more you give. The compass, the direction. Whomever you surround yourself with is who and what you will become. Row the boat.